We are on the brink of achieving artificial general intelligence (AGI) within the next 1 to 5 years. In the AGI era, artificial intelligence will effortlessly handle tasks like software development, accounting, and much more. Within the next 10 years, we will enter the era of superintelligence. In this era, AI agents will surpass the combined intelligence of all humans, will be capable of improving and evolving independently. This means AI will replace virtually all existing jobs. However, these powerful AI agents will remain under human control. Our new role will be managing and directing these intelligent systems. Finally, within 30 years, we will reach the singularity. In this incredible new era, humans could live for thousands of years or even achieve immortality. The boundary between the human and machine will blur as we merge technology directly with our bodies.